Hey people! So, normally I'm known to make these very cheeky movie reviews, and generally these reviews of mine are like very uh, kind of cheeky. But this particular show called Jee Karda, which is on Amazon Prime, is a show that I think everyone should watch simply since the direction is stellar. I mean, like, this is an 8 episode series, and the director, the lady director Arunima Sharma, must be such an easy person to get along with or to be around, because that is reflected in the performances of practically all the characters. Like, in the sense, literally from the first scene onwards, it's as if this particular show has characters who are just going about their lives, and someone is just following them with a camera, because the acting, so to speak, is so natural. And I feel that at some level is reflective of how at ease they are with the captain of the ship, the director, right? Because in this 8 episode series, there's this one episode that is that Arunima Sharma has directed all the episodes, but one particular episode is like a collaboration. So there, one can tell, that. So when I was watching the show, I was just waiting to again watch an episode by Arunima Sharma, because it has that magical quality to it. So truly, people, I can't recommend the show enough. It's called Jee Karda, and of course, the star cast also has Tamanna Bhatia, Suhail Nair, Anya Singh, Ashim Gulati, Samvedana Suvalka, Hussain Dalal, Simone Singh, and a host of others. And all of them put up very honest performances. But I think the full credit, somewhere I feel, goes to the director for kind of really bringing out the best in people. So if you all want to really chill and binge watch a very unique kind of show, very cute show, I would say, it would be Jee Karda on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.